Best Kitchen Sink Strainer Stopper. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of dealing with clogged drains or foul odors in your kitchen, today's video is for you. We're reviewing the best kitchen sink strainer stoppers to help keep your sink clean and free of blockages. So, let's dive in. Number 1. OXO Good Grips 2-in-1 Sink Strainer Stopper. The OXO Good Grips 2-in-1 Sink Strainer Stopper is a versatile kitchen tool designed to function both as a strainer and a stopper for your sink. Dual functionality, it can be used as a strainer to catch food debris or as a stopper to fill the sink with water for soaking dishes. Durable build. Made of stainless steel and silicone, it's built to withstand regular kitchen use while preventing rust or wear. Easy to use. To switch between strainer and stopper modes, you just turn the center knob. Pressing the knob down seals the drain, while pulling it up allows water to drain and catch food debris. Easy to clean. The silicone material allows for easy rinsing and it can be washed in the dishwasher. Number 2. Cedary for PCS Kitchen Sink Strainer Stopper Kit. The Cedary for PCS Kitchen Sink Strainer Stopper Kit typically includes 4 key components: sink strainers and stoppers designed to prevent clogs while allowing water to drain efficiently. These kits are ideal for kitchen sinks, helping to filter food particles and other debris that would otherwise go down the drain, reducing the chance of blockages. 2X sink strainers, mesh or perforated metal strainers designed to fit most standard kitchen sinks. They catch debris like food scraps while allowing water to flow through. 2X sink stoppers, rubber or silicone stoppers that can be inserted into the drain to hold water in the sink for tasks like dishwashing. Number 3. Afanti 2 PCS Kitchen Sink Strainer Stopper 2-in-1. The Afanti Kitchen Sink Strainer Stopper is designed to serve both as a strainer to catch food debris and a stopper to hold water in the sink. Strainer mode catches food particles and debris, preventing clogging in the drain pipes. It's easy to clean and maintain. Stopper mode, when pressed down, the stopper creates a tight seal, allowing the sink to be filled with water for various uses like washing dishes or soaking. Number 4. Danko 88820 Basket Strainer with Stopper. The Danko 88820 Basket Strainer with Stopper is a kitchen sink accessory designed to prevent food debris and other waste from entering the drain while allowing water to flow through. The stopper feature allows you to plug the sink when needed. Material: made of durable stainless steel, which is resistant to rust and corrosion, fits most kitchen sinks, designed to fit a wide range of standard kitchen sink drains. Easy installation: the strainer can be easily installed without the need for professional help. And easy to clean the basket. Having a good quality strainer stopper can make a big difference in keeping your sink clean and functional while also preventing costly clogs. Thanks for watching. Check out our new video. And don't forget to subscribe. Leave a like if you enjoy.